Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into CapCut, a popular video editing app by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use video editor, CapCut might just be perfect for you, especially if you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Let's get into what makes this app so popular and why you should give it a try. First off, CapCut's editing tools are impressive. It offers all the essential features you'd expect from a video editor, like cutting, trimming, and merging clips. But what sets it apart is the range of effects and transitions. You can add unique effects to make your videos pop, use smooth transitions between clips, and even apply filters to give your videos a professional, polished look. One of the standout features is auto captions. With just a tap, CapCut can generate captions automatically, which is a huge time saver and a great way to make your videos more accessible. Plus, the app's AI is pretty accurate, so you won't need to spend ages fixing mistakes. CapCut also has a fantastic music and sound effects library. There are tons of royalty-free music tracks and sound effects that you can easily add to your videos. This is especially helpful if you're creating social media content and want to avoid copyright issues. You can even import your own music or record voiceovers directly in the app, making it super versatile for different types of content. Another feature I love is keyframe animation, which lets you create smooth, custom animations by adjusting elements frame by frame. This is something you usually only find in more advanced editing software, so it's great to see it in a free app like CapCut. There's also a speed control feature, perfect for creating slow motion or fast forward effects that are super popular on social media. Finally, CapCut is free to use with no watermarks, which is a huge advantage. Unlike many other free apps, you get all these advanced tools without any hidden fees, which makes it ideal for beginners and even experienced editors who want to create high quality content without a subscription. So if you're looking for a powerful and user-friendly app to edit videos on your phone, CapCut is definitely worth a try. It's packed with features that are usually only available in paid software, making it a fantastic tool for content creators. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've used CapCut and what you think about it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.